Peter is wearing a bucket on his head.
Come here, Peter.
Peter, come here.
Come this way.
Peter, put your bucket on. Come here.
He's echoing.
Come on.
There you are. Hello. Hey. Say nani nani. Uh-oh. Don't fall in the bucket. Silly boy. Boop. There's your...
Little boy with a bucket on his head. You're so funny. Come over here.
Peter.
Peter, come over here. Come over here.
Uh-oh. Oh, he's stuck. Bella, what do you think of that?
Peter, say bye-bye. This is a message from Peter, the boy with the bucket.